Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 28, metals and non-metals. In this worksheet we will learn the chemical properties of metals. Next property of metal, reaction of metal with acids. Acids से metal कैसे react करती हैं? When metals reacts with dilute acid, salt and hydrogen gases form. तो मेटल्स जब डाइल्यूट एसिड से रिएक्ट करती हैं दे फॉर्म साल्ट एंड हाइड्रोजन गैसेस इवॉल्व. मेटल्स रिएक्ट्स विथ एसिड्स टू गिव अ साल्ट एंड hydrogen gas. Here two examples are given to you. When sodium metal reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, it is converted into it produce sodium chloride, which is a salt, and hydrogen gases evolve. When zinc metal is react with dilute hydrochloric acid HCl, it produce ZnCl2, which is a salt, and hydrogen gases evolve. Copper does not react with dilute HCl. कॉपर क्या करता है बच्चों? कॉपर डज नॉट रिएक्ट विथ डाइल्यूट HCl. डाइल्यूट HCl से कोई रिएक्शन कॉपर की नहीं होती. हाइड्रोजन गैस इज नॉट इवॉल्व व्हेन मेटल रिएक्ट्स विथ नाइट्रिक एसिड. नाइट्रिक एसिड क्या होता है? HNO3. व्हेन मेटल रिएक्ट्स विथ HNO3 और नाइट्रिक एसिड, hydrogen gas is not evolved. Why? Because HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes the hydrogen produced to water and itself gets reduced to any of the nitrogen oxide. Nitric acid क्या है? Nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. And it oxidizes the hydrogen produce. जो हाइड्रोजन प्रोड्यूस होती है उसको ऑक्सीडाइज कर देता है टू द वाटर एंड वाटर में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. एंड इट सेल्फ गेट रिड्यूस्ड, और खुद क्या हो जाता है? रिड्यूस हो जाता है टू एनी फॉर्म ऑफ नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड. नाइट्रोजन का ऑक्साइड बनाता है. दीज आर द फॉर्म ऑफ नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड: N2O, nitrous oxide, NO, nitric oxide, and NO2, nitrogen dioxide. All these three are oxides of nitrogen. But magnesium Mg and manganese Mn reacts with very dilute HNO3 or nitric acid to evolve hydrogen gas. Magnesium और मैग्नीज Mn, ये दोनों धातुएं, these two metals reacts with very dilute HNO3 and hydrogen gas is evolved. Magnesium reacts when magnesium, these are the reaction given to you. Magnesium reacts with HNO3, it is converted, it produces magnesium nitrate and hydrogen gas. And when manganese Mn reacts with HNO3 or nitric acid, it is converted into manganese nitrate, MnNO3 whole twice, and hydrogen gas is evolved. Next reaction is reaction of metals with solution of other metal salts. दूसरे metals के salts के साथ metals कैसे reacts करती हैं? When metal reacts with salt solution of other metals, it forms salt solution of A and metal B is displaced. It means displacement reaction take place when metals reacts with solution of other metal salts. Example, when iron reacts with copper sulfate, it displaces copper from copper sulfate and forms ferrous sulfate, and copper is displaced. When copper reacts with AgNO3, silver nitrate, copper displaces silver and form copper nitrate, here CuNO3 whole twice, and silver is displaced. All metals are not equally reactive. Metals कैसे होते हैं? All are not equally reactive. एक जैसे reactive नहीं होते. If we check the reactivity of various metals with oxygen, water and acids, we find all metals do not react with these reagents. All metals do not react with acids, water and oxygen. Here the picture is given to you. In this picture, iron nail is dipped in the solution of copper sulfate, and copper wire is dipped in solution of iron sulfate. So first reaction takes place because iron is more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from the copper sulfate solution. But in second case, copper is less reactive than iron, so it does not replace iron from iron sulfate solution. Next, here the reactivity series is given to you. Reactivity series क्या होती है बच्चों? What do you mean by reactivity series? Reactivity series is a list of metals arranged in the order of their decreasing activities और reactivities. ये सभी metals जो हैं decreasing order में arrange हैं according to their reactivity. It means top metal or a metal placed in the top position is most reactive metal, that is potassium K, and gold Au is the least reactive metal, and it is at the bottom of the reactivity series. You have learnt in last worksheet this reactivity series according to a sentence was given to you, that is काशीनाथ का माली आलू जरा फीके पकाता है क्योंकि हो गया है AU. IU means AU. So you have learned this reactivity series already. While metals from magnesium to lead can react with acids and metals from copper to gold, these metals are highly unreactive. Metals from copper to gold means copper, silver, mercury and gold. These four metals are highly unreactive, don't react with any other substance in the normal condition. ये क्या करती हैं? Normal conditions में they do not react with other substance. This is the reason why metals like gold don't get corrode. ये corrode नहीं होती, means oxide नहीं बनाती, and don't get corrode easily and don't form oxide. While metals such as zinc, aluminium, magnesium, calcium, etc. form oxide in air readily. They react with oxygen present in the atmosphere and forms oxides. Hydrogen is a non-metal, but still it has been included in the reactivity series. Why it is so? It helps in the comparison of reactivity of metals. That is why it is included in the reactivity series. Let us practice. First question is, Which gas is produced when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to the reactive metal? Write the chemical reaction with zinc reacts with dilute HCl. Which gas is evolved? कौन सी गैस निकलती है बच्चों? हाइड्रोजन गैस. So you have to write hydrogen gas is evolved and also you have to give the reaction. When sodium reacts with HCl, it is converted into NaCl and hydrogen gas is evolved. Second part of this question, write the chemical reaction with zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. When Zn reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, it is converted into ZnCl2, which is a salt, and hydrogen gas is evolved. So you have to take twice HCl. Next question is, what happens when copper reacts with silver nitrate solution? Copper reacts with silver nitrate. As you know, copper is more reactive than silver, so it will displace silver from silver nitrate solution. Next question is, a solution of copper sulfate was kept in an iron pot. After few days, the iron pot was found have a number of holes in it. Write the equation of the reaction that took place. Which reaction takes place? Displacement reaction takes place, as the iron is more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and iron gets corrode. That is why iron pot was found to have number of holes in it. Next question is, question number, some metals A, B, C, D, 4 metals are given to you, and in the table 4 salt solution are given with which these metals are react. First one is iron sulfate, second copper sulfate, third zinc sulfate, and fourth silver sulfate. Metal A, with iron sulfate no reaction, with copper sulfate displacement reaction take place. It means metal A is more reactive than copper. Metal B, with iron sulfate displacement reaction take place. It means metal B is more reactive than iron, and no other reaction take place. Metal C, with iron sulfate no reaction, copper sulfate no reaction, with zinc sulfate no reaction, and with silver nitrate displacement reaction take place. It means metal C is more reactive than silver. And metal D, no reaction, no reaction, no reaction. It does not react with any of the salt solution. Use the table above to answer the following questions about metals A, B, C, D. By studying or with the help of this table, you have to give answer of these questions. Question number 1, which is the most reactive metal? Which one is more reactive metal is? Metal will be metal B. What would you do observe? What would you observe if B is added to the solution of copper sulfate? Metal B displaces iron. It means it is more reactive than iron. So, when the metal B is added to the solution of copper second sulfate, it will displace copper and form form sulfate solution with metal B. Next question is, arrange the metals A, B, C, D in order to decreasing reactivity. So most reactive is decreasing order में आप कैसे लिखेंगे? Most reactive metal is B, then metal will be displacement A, which displaces copper, then C, which displaces silver, and least reactive metal will be D, which do not displace any metal from their salt solution. Thanks for watching.